from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Bella. And we are doing the 12 days of DIY. Our hosts are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, Krista from Krista's Crafty Life, and today's theme is woodland. And I had multiple ideas, and I finally came to this one. I seen it. It was an ornament from Etsy. It was $15. And I thought, I can make that a lot cheaper. I can probably sell that cheaper than that. But here, so this is a fun one because I'm doing a cardinal tree in my entryway table. And I thought, well, I'll just make a little cardinal ornament for my tree. And yes, we love you, Bella. So if you want to make a inexpensive and easy, this is so easy, cardinal ornament, this is a video for you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because my goal is to make it to 2,000 by January. And I would really like your help and really like you to join the family. And I have a lot of DIYs and recipes coming up for the holidays. Okay, this is just a twist tie. You can get these at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. I think even General Dollar sells them. They're used to attach bows and different things in your tree. And also a lot of people use them to attach their garland to a railing. But we're going to use this today to make a little woodland ornament. Want a little snow on our branches, so I'm going to just take a paintbrush and you can do this as heavy or as light as you want it. I don't want it really, really heavy because my tree is white, so I don't want the ornament to totally be gone. But I do want a little snow on it. So you can do this as light as much as you like. And if you wanted to, you could also sprinkle glitter on it at this point, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want it as that glam. Let's add a few little berries. Okay, our ribbon, you could do black and white buffalo check. You could do red and white buffalo check. I decided I'm going to do a tree pattern. Going to just make a simple bow with our ribbon. Just a simple bow. And then I'm going to take, well, this is a half a pipe cleaner, just to hold it in place. Cut the ends of our ribbon. Okay, I know some of you were thinking, is she covering that clip for that on the bottom of that bird? Or is it gonna just stick out there like a sore thumb? The answer is, yeah, I'm covering it up. That's gonna be the branch he sets on. He's gotta have a little branch. And I'm going to take one of these branches and add it up there into the bow, I think. You could also do a little tiny poinsettia there, another little berry if you didn't like that branch. But there's our ornament. I seen an ornament similar to this on Etsy for $15. Would you pay $15 for this ornament? I think if I was doing a craft show, I may only charge $3.50. What's your thoughts? Okay, this is our final ornament. Tell me what you think. I noticed I had put the ribbon backwards. That can easily be changed and I can flip it around.